Hi students, in our last class we saw about food variety and source. Why do we have to eat food? We have to eat food because food gives us energy to work and play. It helps us to grow. It also helps us to repair damaged cells in the body. We also studied about the three different categories of food. What are they? Energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods, and protective foods. And the food items under each category we saw. Bread and chapati give us energy. Pulses and fish are called bodybuilding food. Food gives us energy to work and play. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day, daily. So, all this we have seen, all three different categories of foods we have seen. Today, what we are going to see is sources of food. As you have watched the video, we are going to see that plants and animals are the two main sources of food. We get food from plants and animals. From plants like paddy, and other plants which give us food like fruits and so on. Plants as a source of food. You have learned that green plants are the only living things that can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. What do you understand by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is given in the picture you can see in your textbook, just close to the paragraph. It is the process of converting light energy into chemical energy. See, the sunlight falls on the plant and the plant absorbs carbon dioxide around the plant and releases when the plant gets water and the sunlight, photosynthesis happens. It just turns the light energy into chemical energy. That is called photosynthesis. So, extra food prepared by plants is stored in different parts. The plant may store the extra food that is prepared with its roots or stem or leaves, fruits, all those. We eat these parts as food. We may eat sometimes roots of the plants, fruits of the plant, leaves of the plant, stems of the plant. Factopedia says what? When you are hungry, when you feel hungry, the muscles in your stomach, the flesh in your stomach, squeeze means kind of you feel so hungry, you feel pain inside, squeeze themselves together. These are called hunger pangs. So when you feel hungry, the muscles in our stomach squeeze themselves together, which is called hunger pangs. And here, as I already told you, plants give us food from the different parts of the plant. We get food. From the root, we we get kind of food like potato. Leaves, we get leaves like tulsi, pudina, coriander. All these leaves we get as food items. Seeds we get like paddy, rice. So cloves and turmeric and red chili are spices that plants give us. Spices add flavor to the food we eat. Okay, when you watch your mom cooking in the kitchen, she may be adding spices to the food, and it adds more flavor to the food, and when we eat it is very delicious. We enjoy our food with spices. Tea and coffee are beverages we get from plants. We get from plants tea and coffee, and we make tea and coffee and drink. Oil is obtained from the seeds of plants like sunflower and coconut. We have sunflower oil and coconut oil. We get it from the seeds of plants. Some plants like tulsi, neem, and mint have medicinal value. When we have cough and cold, we get tulsi and eat or make kind of kasaya so that the cough is neem leaves and apply on the body so that our body becomes all right, our skin becomes all right. And mint leaf, mint gives flavor to food, and it is also used as medicine. Animals as a source of food. So far what we have seen, plants as source of food. Now we are going to see animals as a source of food. We get milk from cows, buffaloes, and goats. Okay, milk is a complete food because it contains all the nutrients that we need for our body. So drinking a cup of milk every day is always good for our health. So we eat many milk products daily like cheese, paneer, ice cream, curd, etc. In very cold countries, reindeer are kept for milk. We also get eggs from chicken, from hen. Okay, geese and ducks give us eggs. Eggs are eaten in different forms all over the world, like omelette, egg bhujia. Differently, we boil eggs and eat differently. It is eaten. We also get honey. Honey is made by honey bees. So from bees also we get food. That is honey. Meat from goats, hens, fish, etc. People living near the sea eat a lot of seafood like fish, shellfish, oysters, and crabs. People who only eat plant and plant products are called vegetarians. So those people who do not eat meat, they are called vegetarians. People who eat meat are called non-vegetarians. So vegetarians, those who only eat vegetables and fruits are called vegetarians. Those who eat meat, they are called non-vegetarians. Even ostrich and kangaroo meat are eaten in Australia? In Australia, people eat ostrich and kangaroo meat. So you go through these oral questions and you can answer on your own. So to grow well, it is very important that we eat a balanced diet, balanced food items. A diet that contains food from all food groups is called a balanced diet. All nutrients or whatever we need, our body needs, whatever food contains, that is called balanced diet. Say no to junk food as it is low in nutritional value. Junk food means pizza, burger, all those. Say is food diversity. How food gets diverse. People eat different types of food in different parts of countries, in different states, in different places. People eat different types of food. The food people eat depends on various factors. When we take food, it depends on our age, our health condition, and the income, how much money we have. According to that money we buy things and eat. And climate and availability of food, the weather, in monsoon what we eat, in summer some foods should not be eaten. So it depends on the climate and the availability of food. When we don't get certain vegetables in the market, we may not eat. Whenever we get, we eat. And personal taste, it depends on our own taste as well. Some people may like chicken, some people may like different food, some people may like particular fruit, some may not like mango, some may like papaya or guava. So these all depends on personal taste. So people who live near the sea eat a lot of fish and rice as it is easily available. Fish and rice. Those who live near the ocean, sea. In places where farming is possible, people eat plenty of food from plants. In India, in Punjab enjoy eating makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. These two people in Punjab eat. They enjoy. People in Kashmir drink a tea called kawa with a type of biscuit like bread called shirmal. People in Bengal enjoy eating dishes made of fish. Machar jol and rice and rasgulla are their favorite dishes in Bengal. People in Rajasthan enjoy eating dal bati and kurma. People in Tamil Nadu enjoy eating idli, dosa and sambar. So it depends on the place where people live. So according to the place and the weather and the income of a person and taste of a person, people change their food items. I hope you have understood. Till here, I request you to read the text and understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me personally, and we will see the rest in our next class. Thank you.